How to make money on Freelancer as an ebook writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for an ebook writer, I would just come to the platform, go to hire freelancers, go to by skill, and here look for ebook writers. So for example, here we have ghost writers. Let's go with hire ghost writers. As you can see, hire expert ghost writers for any job. By scrolling down, you'll be able to see all of the freelancers profiles that are doing this skill. Let's see more ghost writers. So here you can see how much they're getting paid per hour, where are they from, the skills that they can perform, and their description, how are they talking about themselves, their skill, and their experience as well. Same thing with these other ones. You can see her name, her profile picture, where is she from, how much she's getting paid per hour. And here by their profiles, you can see everything about them, and eventually you can hire them if they see that they fit your requirements. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people, to showcase your skills also like them, allowing people to check your profile, and if they find you fit their requirements, they will hire you, obviously. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile. So here click on earn money freelancing, and make sure to fill these information: your first name, last name, email and password, the usual information. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my username and password. Then click on login and give it a few seconds to redirect you. So here you're going to proceed to your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. And here in your top right, you have this button where you're going to see everything about your account, from your profile, membership, account analytics, bid insights and settings. And same thing with your finances, your balance, if you want to add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, your financial dashboard, payment sharing, and if you want support or to invite your friends, or if you want to log out from your profile. So let's go up to view our profile. We still need to make a lot of adjustments to our profile, and as you can see in here, the profile is very empty, 0 reviews, 0 jobs completed, 0 on time or budget, and repeat higher rate. So here we don't have even the profile picture. So click on edit profile, and by clicking on edit profile, you will be able to change the profile picture and your name, but we cannot change that now because we still need to verify our email. As you can see, email verification required. And when you're done with verifying your email, then you proceed to the verifications in here. You need to be a member of the elite group of the best freelancers. Then you can also verify your identity not verified through a government issued ID, check and proof of address. And same thing with the payment method, not verified to have a valid payment method, phone verified as well, phone number not verified, tooltip message, email also, as I said before, it's not verified. And make sure to connect your Facebook account as well. And guys, if you are asking why do I need to do all of these things, and simply guys, by doing these things, you will help your profile to gain more credibility and trust in this platform. And after that, you proceed to add in your hourly rate, and as you can see, you cannot do that because we didn't verify our email. After your hourly rate, you proceed to enter in your professional headline and your summary. Then you click on save to save the changes. Then you proceed to your skills. So here let's change the skill. So here we're going to remove this one, and as you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. Let's remove this one and let's go for ebook writer. Let's see if we can find book writer. Right. So here we have content writing, article writing, copywriting, research, ghost writing. So that's what we're looking for. We have here book writing. We can add that writing as well. And let's see if we can find an ebook writing. Let's go with ghost writing as well. Book writing, let's remove free posting. And when you're done with your skills, then make sure to click on save as well to save these changes. This one, save, and all of these changes will be saved. Then you proceed to fill in your portfolio. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet, so make sure to add your portfolio. This also will help you gain more trust, and same thing with experience, education, qualifications, and publication. All of these things will help you gain more trust in the platform. So after you're done with improving your profile, it's time to find some jobs. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and let's go down, remove this and this. Then we're going to search with our keyword, right? Here we have ghostwriting, article, travel, book writing. So let's choose book writing. So here you'll be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for book writers. You can see how much you will be getting paid, the title, the project's title, the description, the required skills. Same thing with these other jobs. You can click on the job in order to apply for it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.